You alright? You want to take over? Huh? You want to take over?
Yeah. You got it?
Yeah. Hold it. Make sure you're done.
Shit, that one almost pulled me in.
Feel like river. Yeah, get the fish. Don't run, nigga. Where's the fire go?
Catch and release right here. Catch and release.
Come on, bitch. Get up here. This was huge. Oh, fuck.
He's big.
No, hold on. Oh, damn.
Oh. He might run again. He might run again.
Fucker. God damn. Fuck Ray. Oh.
Woohoo!
Right here, come on.
Josh, hold the button. You gotta hold it to record.